Hey guys, today I want to do an autumnal look. We are going to a little fall festival thing, so I want to look cute and very autumn-like. So I'm going to use my Yes Please Cute AF palette from ColourPop. Look at all these colors, beautiful. And a nice like red lip. This is the Meet Matte Hues from the Balm in Loyal. See, but this is pretty too. This is a NYX lipstick in Lifeguard. That's a beautiful color. I think I'm going to use this one instead, the Butter lipstick from NYX. And I'm actually going to use a different foundation today. This is one I've had for a while. I mean, it still looks really light for me, but it's the Sassy and Chic Makeup Foundation. I don't know what color it is. I got this from Dollar Tree, but honestly, it's pretty good. But I am still going to use my Glow Starter before that. Hopefully you like this angle a little bit better. That way you can see like my whole face. I'm still trying to work things out. My vanity actually has a whole like mirror system to it. So I can't put you directly behind it because there's a giant mirror there. Last night I actually made an order on ColourPop's website and got that Lilac You a Lot, is that what it was called, palette. I wasn't planning on buying it, but then I did. But I was good and I only bought that. I had several things that I wanted, but I was like, okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna buy a bunch of stuff, especially because like I'm just now getting back into makeup. I don't want to go crazy and then only be into makeup for another like week and then waste everything. This is also too light for me right now, but I'm not usually this dark because I never leave my house. But today I am. I love fall. It's the best time of the year. Bad thing is Florida never feels like fall. Leaves don't change. You don't get the same feeling and everything. And if you can tell, this foundation is super dewy, so I always have to set this one. So I might not use any cream products today, just use powder products. I actually dyed my hair a few days ago. I dyed it purple, but it doesn't look purple. It looks kind of red, but also like I didn't do anything to it at all, which is kind of a bummer. I think next time I try to do a crazy color, I'm going to bleach my hair first. Because my hair is just too dark to have anything show up. Ends up being a waste of time. But my hair's still wet, so you can't really tell anything when it's wet. That is the foundation done. Super, super dewy. I'm just gonna powder my whole face with the Wet n Wild powder. I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer. I feel like I have like fuzz on my face now. Oh. And I just have the little one because I never do my makeup. I'm probably never going to run out of this. I'm using several Wet n Wild brushes actually. I have a lot of Wet n Wild stuff. Interesting. I tend to go pretty heavy with bronzer. I think it's my favorite face step. I think if I didn't do anything else to my face, I would want some bronzer on there. I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar blush I keep using in Prim Vixen. I don't even know if I have any other blushes, honestly. I have a little like 3-drawer system thing next to me that's full of makeup, but I never go through it, and the only stuff I really use is what's here. For highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild Boozy Brunch Shimmer Palette. And it looks like this. So pretty. I think highlight is fun. I'm going to do my eyebrows with Gimme Brow. Now my face is done and I can move on to eyes. e.l.f. eyelid primer. So I guess the first thing I'll do is put a color in my crease. I never really do like transition colors. I usually just go right in with whatever I want to use. And I think that's going to be this red color. That would be cool. And I think I want this orange like all over my lid. I I guess I could do a halo eye and put it in the inner corner too, huh? I usually never change the shape of the makeup I do. I usually just do a color in the outer and then like a color on the rest of the lid, but it could be fun to do something different. And I think next I'm going to put that orange color in the middle. Maybe some of this like goldy color right in the middle there. I'm going to try taking that orange on my finger. Just feel like it's not intense enough. I feel that way about a lot of my makeup looks. They never look intense enough. But this is doing pretty good using your finger. And then I'm going to redo that gold right in the middle. I feel like that's better. I might even re-deepen that red and make it more colorful. Going in with a clean brush, kind of going over the outer corners. I'm going to put this color at my brow bone. On the lower lash line, I think I'm going to put some of this crazy yellow color there. Maybe this orange color in the outer corner? Alright, cool. I think I like that. That dew is starting to come back on my face though. Ugh. I'm just going to go on in with mascara. I don't think I want to do eyeliner today. So I'm going to mist my face with e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. Oh, that like spat on me. I'm going to put on some Better Than Sex mascara. On the lower lashes, I'm putting CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. There's those eyes done. I kind of want to put something in the inner corner actually. I guess I could put that gold in the inner corner. I'll try that. I'll put this light gold color in the inner corner. That's pretty. All that's left is lipstick, so I'm going to put my glasses back on so I can see. They were not kidding about butter. This thing is slippery. It's kind of terrifying because it's such a like dark color. I'm really bad at doing my lips. I feel like I look like an old lady that doesn't know how to do lipstick because that's me. Yeah, this looks very messy. So I'm going to wipe that off and use this other color. We're going to try this again with the Meet Matte Hues Loyal. This looks messy too. I just suck at this. Well, I'm gonna try to stop messing with it. I might put a gloss over it later just so it's not so obvious how bad it looks. I actually have a fun gloss from ColourPop that's gold glittery. It's one of the My Little Pony ones in Flutter Valley. I think I'm gonna put that on top because this looks kind of bad. Does that look better? It's kind of fun. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so not good at makeup, but I'm trying. Let me know if you have any tips to get better at makeup. Like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on makeup and everything, but it's just been like so long since I've actually like worn makeup consistently that I feel like I forget how to do everything. I don't even know if I knew how to do it before, but now I definitely don't. But hopefully at least this is kind of entertaining. Hopefully, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you wanna, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.